Powerful people comes from powerful places. This was a dialogue from KGF chapter 1, but KGF chapter 2 proved it wrong. It's powerful people makes powerful places. The most anticipated teaser of KGF Chapter 2 was officially released ahead of the scheduled time to contain the damage after it was leaked online hours before its launch. The teaser was set to release on Friday at 10:18 am to mark the 35th birthday celebration of Yash, who is star of the franchise. Now let's talk about the teaser, guys. Rocky looks extremely handsome, single-handedly taking down the enemy's camp with the help of his little friend, the heavy-weighted Machine Guns. Rocky looks like a handsome monster with his intense look. Srinidhi Shetty has been shown as a princess. The visual scenes looks like it's been inspired by Bahubali. Hope to see Srinidhi more in Chapter 2. Sanjay Dutt look has been inspired by Vikings. The makers have not revealed too much. They have shown only the back pose, which looks like he is ready for fight. Ravina Tandon looks like a powerful prime minister. Hope she and Guru Pandyan collaborate to give a political thrills. This is the best teaser that I have ever seen. Just the teaser is giving me goosebumps. I don't know what will trailer bring to us, guys. Bollywood should stop making remakes of South Indian movies and not support nepotism and focus on making quality, good content movies, or else regional movies will surely take over Bollywood soon. 2-minute 17-second trailers has stunning visuals, flying cars, raining bullets, rocking background music, and that final emotional touch in the teaser will leave the fans waiting for more. If KGF made a promise, the sequel guaranteed to keep it. The teaser once again shows director Prashant Neil's ability to wrap up excitement around his movie. The maker seems to have only gotten bold and ambitious with second installment in KGF franchise. The scale and intensity the teaser promises is simply jaw-dropping. So this was my reaction on KGF Chapter 2 teaser. I hope you like it, guys. I'm so excited for the trailer and for the movie to watch. And I'm definitely going to book this a first day first show for sure. And thank you for all your love and support. If you like my video, please do like, share and comment your views on this KGF Chapter 2 teaser. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you with another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.